Hi, girls. I just wanted to go through a couple ideas that you might want to look at to start brainstorming. And I think a good goal would be to start looking at some of these things tonight. We can chat a little bit tomorrow, and let's say by Wednesday we kind of really have an idea of what we're going to shoot. And I know that we discussed that we'll try and do almost like a news type report and an artist profile. So just looking here first, I'm just going to, instead of sending link after link, I'm just going to show you where I'd go. So, okay. So if you go to YouTube and type in artist profile, tons of them come up. The way that they do them, but you can see that they kind of shoot them in an artistic way. If you watch these are very professionally done. It's high quality. It's something that we most likely can't achieve, but you can take ideas from it. This one I watched a little bit of, and one of the other ones down here. But just look at how they're going about it, how just even here doing a little side interview to get different creative shots. Now this only needs to be about a minute long. So I would think of like, what are the things that you want to achieve? Do you want to achieve like when you started doing the artwork, going through some different art that you have? You can take pictures and almost add it in a little slideshow. It can be very, very quick, but just plan out the shot. So plan out, am I going to do a little interview piece where it's just a camera interviewing yourself? Do you want someone to interview you? Just watch a couple of these, see what you like, and then make a realistic choice. Say what parts of these can we achieve? What will we be able to edit together, or at least put together so that I can do some editing? For these two pieces, though, I do kind of want it to be a project for you girls to take on, because I do have about 4 or 5 things that I'm doing on my own. So if these can be finished, then that's perfect. So just taking a look at that, the artist profile, and just watch a couple, see what you like. You can ask me some ideas tomorrow about how to achieve some of these things. Okay, another thing is just different virtual assemblies. Just typing in virtual assemblies, take a peek at some of these, see what you like. See if there's any good ideas that you think. And remember our timeline too, right? If we're getting together tomorrow and Wednesday to talk about it, and then looking into starting these things, having about a week to do it, what's realistic? Okay, take a peek and see if there's any segments that you like, that you think that you might be able to do, or possibly get your teacher involved in to kind of help you with that. Always keeping in mind that things are with the times and what things are going on, is saying when I do this, does it look kind of appropriate? As in, are people spacing, are people being safe, that kind of thing. Excuse me. Okay, and this is the other one, is elementary school news. So it's just a few different ways of how kids used green screen to do news. Take a peek at that, and what kind of topics would you want to cover? I think getting 3 or 4 different things for this time around is great. It could be a quick teacher interview. It could be what has gone on this month. It could be something to do with what's coming up. But you can see here, when I was looking through these earlier, even this right here, this kindergarten weather report, you can see that they made it kind of funny by using these backdrops. Okay, so just take a peek and see what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and an idea that you have, remembering that you guys are going to be the news team, both filming, editing, and doing a newscast. So my suggestion, again, is to keep it simple. Ask yourself, can you achieve that? If you wanted to do an interview, who would it be? What teacher would you get? If you wanted to do a student interview, who do you have to contact? You have to talk to their teacher and say, what's an appropriate time? Where can we meet that is safe? Or is it a better idea not to do that? Or will you have to meet on something like Teams? Just do what is achievable for now. Okay, so check out those few things, and just let's chat tomorrow. But we'll just have something to base it on, and we'll really make a list, and we'll kind of go through some ideas about how to go about it. So just watch a few. You don't have to watch things in its entirety, but just take a peek at a few different things. So it's artist profile, virtual assembly ideas, and different ways of doing newscasts. Okay, and then I'm gonna send this to you in email. So if you want to email me back about something, you can there, and then we'll talk tomorrow. So we'll talk tomorrow about ideas. Wednesday we'll kind of set it in stone, and that'll be kind of go time. Okay? All right, girls. Thank you.